Ooh! Upgrade time! Very exciting, very good indeed. Hey there folks, Sable Guy here again, and just doing another video on another computer. Actually, it's the same computer. I did a computer build or slash guide a while ago on this very same computer, except it was not in this Vivo case. It was actually in my Ninja 2. But we're back and visiting my main system again, the very same one I am actually editing this video on. To bring you some upgrades. So what we're looking to upgrade to today is we're going to replace that Intel cooler, that stock cooler that's sitting there. No, not good enough. So we're going to get the Corsair H100i V2 cooler with dual 120mm fans and a nice size rad there for you to cool down with. So right here, this is just quick B footage roll before the upgrade. I'm definitely not going to record the whole entire session of installing the cooling system itself, because that alone took 2 hours and there's no way in hell I was going to film that all by myself. Anyways, a quick rundown of the specs of the computer. I have the GeForce GTX 1070, the Core i5-6600 by Intel, 16 gigabytes of DDR4 clocked at 2400 megahertz by G.Skill, a 650 watt power supply, various hard drives, things like that, these cool little blue LED fans, and of course a CD drive. So let's go ahead and get to the footage of where the RAD is installed. Now that we have the RAD installed, I actually had to move some fans around. I ended up putting the RAD on the front of the computer instead of on top where I wanted it originally, but it would not fit. Either way, it worked out just fine. So I moved the 320mm cooling fans to the top. They had the blue LED, so it actually looks quite good if you look through it through the gills on the top there. The fans themselves match the I/O shield on the back, which I colored blue. It can be changed colors, but the fans themselves cannot. There is a lot of airflow through this now that I have several fans blowing everything through. Don't mind that I missed installing that cover there. But I ended up doing a bunch of rewiring as well. So all in all, I think it actually looks really good. I'm still kind of warming up to the idea of having an Intel, not an Intel cooler. I already removed that derp. But having a radiator in my computer. This is a first for me. I've always been nervous about having a water cooling system inside of my computer. So I'm just hoping to Jesus it doesn't like leak or explode or something, because I'd be screwed. So I have taken a look at, you know, what the temperature differences are, and they are actually about 15 degrees lower than what they normally are with the stock Intel cooler. Now, with the RAD being installed right where it is, unfortunately I had to take out the CD drive, but luckily for me it's easy for me to just stick one in there temporarily if I ever need to install anything. But with that being said, this is just a quick little update video just showing you guys my computer and what changes it's going through, and I appreciate you guys watching. Have yourself a great day.